Hi all, welcome to my channel. Hope you are all doing great. This is for those who want to learn PowerShell. Now we'll go through PowerShell commands. Before going to PowerShell commands, we need to launch PowerShell. For that, go to search, type PowerShell, and open it. I'm clicking on Run as Administrator. Click on Yes. Now we're able to see PowerShell window. Our next command is Get-ChildItem. The Get-ChildItem command in PowerShell is used to retrieve the child items such as files and directories within a specified directory. It allows to list and access the contents of a directory. The syntax is get-children, so that it will give all files and directories within the current directory. Or if you want to check the files and directories in a specified directory, then we have to give get-children-path, and we have to mention the specified path so that it will list down all the files and directories within that specified path. If you want to see some specific kind of files, also we can do by using filter parameter. Here we give wildcard characters for filtering conditions, so that this command will retrieve all the files within the specified directory which matches with the wildcard characters and filter conditions. Now we'll see this in a PowerShell. To get a child items in a current directory, we have to give get hyphen get child item. So it will list down all the files and directories in that specific location. So here we are seeing all our directories only. Since we are in C drive and users directory and hurry directory, it is showing all the directories which are showing here. If we give any specific path, we can get all the files and directories in in that specific path. For that, get -child item -path. We have to specify the path. I'm giving some specific path so that it will retrieve all the files and directories within this specific path, displaying all the files and directories. So if you want to see any specific kind of files also, we can do that. For example, we have to use the filter parameter for that. So get -child item -path, and we have to give the path. If you don't give the path, it will take a current path. So that's why we have to give the specific path. In this specific path, if we want to see only HTML files, we can see that by using filter parameter. We have to give filtering condition. So it retrieves all files which are matched with .html at the end from specific directory. And now I'm pressing enter. See, it displays the files which names are ending with .html from desktop directory. Similar way, if you want to see any files which are starting with the table name, and star, it will also give, it will retrieve all the files which are matched with the filtering condition. And the filtering condition we give, the file name should starts with table, so it retrieve those file details. This way we can filter. If you want to see all the files in a specific directory, you can remove the filter and you give the file path. It will retrieve all the files in that specific directory. Files and directories it will display. See, this is a directory. Folder 1 is a directory. If you observe here, it's showing D, and this is the file. This is the file. These are all the files. So it will display those information. This is all about get child item.